Look.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Would you guys like some candy?
Yeah, candy. Why do they smell like oranges?
Because it's my special candy. I make at my candy factory at my house. You know what else I make there?
What?
Ice cream.
Oh, I want ice cream.
Well, come with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
Let's go. Here, it's kind of a long walk. Maybe you guys should rest over here for a while.
Okay, why is this tombstone?
Oh, that's just some Halloween decorations. I'll put those down.
In a couple months, though.
No, it's in a couple of weeks.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Here.
now we're just going to sit here and eat some more candy. Yeah.
Okay.
I like candy.
Just as planned. Nighty night, girls.